Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katrice, and today we are doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and continue watching this video. But before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you're here. Why not? Hey girl. And we're gonna just go ahead and hop right into the video. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off with a freshly prepped and primed face. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also prepped my eyelids and my actual face. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So for the transition shade, I'm going to use this brown color here. This is from the Meet Your Match eyeshadow tray color board Beauty Glaze palette, and it's the last palette on the tray, and it's going to be this deep brown color right here in the bottom. So we're going to use that one to start, and I'm going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now on that same palette, I'm going to use this dark pink, and I'm going to use that in the crease area. I'm going to do the crease and on the actual lid all the way around. And then I'm going to take the same brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to blend out those two colors just at the top. Alright, just like that. Now I'm going to cut the crease. To cut the crease, I'm going to use this bright pink color in the top left hand corner. Alright, so I'm actually going to deepen my crease with the brown and black mix using another crease brush, eyeshadow crease brush. Alright, so to soften up the crease by my brow bone, I'm going to take this light brown color, and I'm just going to fade it at the top. Just a little bit, not too much, just so it's not so harsh on the brow bone. Like that. And then I'm going to cut the crease with that pink color. And then I'm going to take that same pink, and I'm going to go from the outer corner halfway to the middle. And just blend those two together. Alright, so now I'm gonna line my eyes with the Superflex rubber type eyelash adhesive and pray it doesn't do anything retarded. Alright, and then I'm gonna add my mascara. I'm going to actually just do my concealer and contour before I actually do the foundation. Alright, so now I'm going to be using my Fit Me foundation. This is actually too dark for my skin. This is in the color... this is in the color 370. It's actually too dark for my skin. I usually use this in the summertime once I've gotten a little tan, but we're gonna use it today. Let me spray my thing here. Spray the foundation. Add a little bit more concealer. And now I'm going to add translucent powder everywhere I just highlighted. Now it's lash time, moment of truth. Alright, so I have my lashes on barely. We're just gonna brush away this translucent powder. Alright, and in those same places I just had the translucent powder, I'm going to add my other finishing powder. This is in the color Deep. Not too much, I'm just going to lightly tap it on, and I'm not going to bake. Just lightly tapping it in place. Bring the color back to my face. Alright, and now I'm going to add blush. Same color as always, this pink color up in the top left hand corner of the BH Cosmetics palette. Gotta get a lot on the brush, Actually, I'm gonna mix those two on that side. I'm gonna mix those, and now I'm just gonna tap it in. Just a little over my nose, like a little blush. Okay, now that I have that on, I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, Stay All Night finishing mist. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the matte finish spray as well. Alright, so now that I have my face finished, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the lips. I'm going to use the same dark brown lip pencil to line my lips. And then I'm going to take Nude Pinky and I'm going to put that in the middle. This is from Taja's Luxe Boutique, her nude lipstick line. Just like that. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have some critiques, leave them down below. I take them all. I'm not a makeup artist, like I tell y'all every time. But this is the look that I came up with. So again, I hope you guys really like this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button since you made it this far. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.